If I'm being so honest, it's been a rough morning for my PTSD. I'm sure you can tell by my face. But I got some news this morning that was really good, really exciting news. And then turns out the news was false. Direct from source, by the way. This is like literally, it's personal news. Got the news, then got a call back saying, actually that information was incorrect. This is the actual news, which is still good news to a degree, but not nearly as good as the initial news. And so the handing it on a silver platter and yanking it back after I've already taken a couple of bites is kind of where I'm at right now. So I'm just gonna take a bath and try to relax and watch TV, watch TikToks, do whatever, just decompress and kind of, I think I've processed it. I think I've given myself the time to process it, hence the look of my face. But I just need to forget it now and then reprocess it later. That's how it kind of, like, I process a little bit, but it's a lot for me. It's like very overwhelming. So I process a little bit and get kind of the basics down in my brain, and then I let myself forget it. I let myself put it away and distract myself for a few days or so, depending on the severity of the trigger, and then I come back to it. So, like, for instance, an example with that I can give right now. Not sponsored, but fucking Mentholatum sponsor me, bitch. I fuck with you heavy. Anyway, let me blow my nose first. What I do with the mentholatum is I literally take some on the tip of my finger and put it up my nose just a little bit. If you don't feel comfortable putting it in your nose, you can put it just right under your nose and rub it all around this area. It's basically Vicks Vapor Rub, but so much better. So much better. And it smells great, and I can breathe out of my nose now. Barely, but like I couldn't do that 2 seconds ago. So, mentholatum. Don't fucking sell it out, bitches. Don't fucking sell it out. Because then my parents who hate me already will hate me more, because this is my dad's shit. Anyway, I'm glad we can find some humor in it. Oh, the example I was going to give you. So, with car shit, anything with my car. Luckily, I have a loving partner who takes my car to the dealership, or to the shop now, but now I don't have a car, so I don't have to deal with that. It's his car, which is our car, but like, you know, I can be a little less involved with it, which helps my car PTSD. Because I have issues with my car is extremely triggering, because financial issues are triggering and car issues are always financial issues. Which is why I do a lot of car maintenance myself, because it's not fucking hard and they try to charge you so much for it. But I don't do the hard shit, don't worry. Anyway, so when my partner would take my car to get an oil change or whatever, I would have him ask, hey, what other shit needs to be done other than the oil change? We're not doing anything today. I just would like a list. And so he would come home with the list. I would not look at the list immediately. I would put the list away for like a week. And then I'd be like, okay, like, I know that I have this list. I know it's coming. Like, I have processed what may be, you know? And then I get into the list and I am like, okay, this, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, okay, these, like, does that actually need to be done? Like, I need to double check this, you know? And then I make a plan. But it's like, because I've anticipated it, which seems so strange because it's like, why can't I just, like, know that the appointment for the oil change is coming up? So it's like, okay, I'm preparing for the appointment. Like, it's because I have to pay for the oil change then. That's what it is, I think. Because I'm paying for the oil change right then, I don't want to know what other money I have to spend right then. So a week has gone by that I have paid the oil change price and it's out of sight, out of mind. And now I can focus on the expenses of the rest of the issues with my vehicle. So that's like the example that I can give. And that's why I'm gonna go watch fucking TV in the bath and forget about it. Alright, so Dalton texted me saying that he should be coming home soon. And I've got my gimbal because I'm about to do some rapid fire cleaning before he gets home, because then we are going to quite a few stores to do hopefully all of our Christmas shopping, the last of it, and then we're gonna come home and watch a Christmas movie. And we're also washing our sheets because our dryer is too small for our king size bedding, so we have to go to a laundromat for that, but that's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna get rapid fire cleaning done because I was supposed to do that yesterday. Carpet has been vacuumed and Luna's toys have been redistributed amongst the carpet. The sheets have been stripped. This is my fit, same jeans, and this is a Lululemon bodysuit, and sunglasses, Target, always and forever. Earrings, also Target, and Etsy. Ready to go.
Ice cream sandwich?
Oh my god, it might be an ice cream sandwich. It's 25% off.
So it's $52. Jesus Christ.
Where's the tag on you? What's your name? Coco?
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 Dalton's in getting us some Subway.
Dalton and I just finished watching Red One, that new Christmas movie, and it was actually so good. We really enjoyed it, so highly recommend. But now I'm going to edit. What time is it? Maybe I'll read. I really have been wanting to do the reading. We'll see.